Howdy there, and welcome back to another DryFork Garage video. This will be the second part of that late night motor fix that I started. I had too much to make it into one video, so I decided to split it into two. So stay tuned as I continue to work on that. Guess now all we have to do is the clutch. So we'll take the plates out of here and put them on there and not break any this time. Okay, clutch basket. On. Now I gotta get my gloves on now. Roll up my sleeves a little bit. And start putting these rings on. Luca, don't lick those. Don't lick them. I'm just gonna go nice and gentle with them. Just so we don't break anymore. Gotta push that back. We'll put these in first and make it easier on ourselves. Well, that may be in there. Sweet. And we'll wait to tighten that one down until we get the rest of these. Now we'll just hit them with the impact. Just go in a star shape. Not tighten them down too much at one time. Put on now. Looking good, looking good. We should be able to throw it back onto the bike. Aha, there we go. Took us long enough. Ooh. Should have looked before I pushed harder. Oh, there's like one of those wasp nests in there. In fact, look at this. A sucker just came shooting out at me. Should have looked before I did anything. Oh man. Okay, so after I put it on the bike, I was going to check for spark. And I realized my Kickstarter, it just wasn't working right. So I took it apart again, and I was looking to see what was happening. And it was almost impossible to kick over, because it's a little bit more complicated than I thought. Anyways, basically what I did is I just put it in there, and then you have to wind this spring up. And one thing I was having a problem with is I wasn't getting it to turn like this. But then I wound the spring up. Oh, and it's good now. And we also have spark. So that is killing two birds with one stone here. Here, what? I'll show you. I don't know if you can see it with this flash on or not. And I move every time I... Anyways, it's there. So we'll just put this cover back on. And then hopefully it should be a little bit more smooth sailing from there. So for the rest of the night, I think I'll be working on the carburetor. The only thing I can see that's wrong with it is the pilot jet is gummed up a little bit. So I put some carb cleaner in it. It's gonna blow it out with the air compressor, but it's pretty late, so I might get in trouble. At least I'll have a running motorcycle, so I'm gonna hook it up and blow it out. Now we're just gonna have to see how long it takes for my parents to come down to yell at me for firing that sucker up, but so far so good. Whew, got it all on and together. All the lines hooked up, everything. However, I took out the oil pump. I'm not going to use it because I'm just going to take this off. And I'm going to take all the electronics off because I just don't really see the point for them. For my use, I'm just going to use this kind of as a dirt bike type thing. And the gauge cluster might come off, probably these blinkers. I don't know what I'm going to do here yet. I think I'm going to put a number plate there. It's coming along though. Oh, I gotta put the exhaust on first though. I think I will try to start it tomorrow after we kind of let this gasket maker settle in a little bit. So then hopefully tomorrow we will have a running bike. May need to redo the paint job a little bit. Or we'll just leave it because it gives it character. We'll see. So we got the chain on now. The only problem is we're missing the master link and I can't find it. So we're going to go out with the ghosts and see if we can find one in the pile. Well, I found one. Couldn't quite get it though. And then I looked at the time. It's currently 2 a.m. I'll get it tomorrow. We'll have it hopefully running tomorrow. If not, it's all back together. It's pretty close to running if it's not all the way there. So, pretty exciting stuff for me at least. See you tomorrow. I put mixed gas in it. I put oil in it. I haven't fixed the chain yet, but we'll get there. Anyways, float height is set wrong, so it's leaking. The gas tank is also leaking, so I'm gonna have to probably just put some gasket maker on that or something. But I'm gonna try to start her now. Well, I've just been kicking my leg off on that sucker and nothing's happening. So I took a look at the spark plug. I think I'm gonna get a new one. In fact, I already ordered one. So got one on the way. I ordered a new air filter too because the other one it just wasn't gonna hold up. It didn't look good. I got a new one of those. Hopefully with these things we can at least get some pops and bangs out of it. I mean, I don't know why it's not working, but I'm going to keep checking everything, make sure everything's in spec. I'll have a run bike soon enough, so just going to keep working at it. Not too discouraged about it, so Anyways, thanks for watching this one as well. Subscribe if you like it. See you on the next one.